Meaning of gingham.
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 Gingham. Gingham is a type of lightweight cotton fabric that is woven in a checked or striped pattern. The pattern consists of even and equal-sized squares or rectangles forming a crisscross design, with alternating colors usually of white and another hue. It is commonly used in clothing such as shirts, dresses, and aprons, as well as in home decor, including curtains and tablecloths. Gingham is often associated with a country or picnic-style aesthetic, but it has also been modernized in the fashion industry with different colors and styles.